Hey guys, welcome back to Hemlock Ridge. It's Carbon Monoxide Awareness Month, and each year globally, it's estimated between 30 and 40,000 people die from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning. It's odorless, tasteless, it's invisible, and it could be building up from any kind of fuel source. There's lots and lots of fuel sources that can generate carbon monoxide, such as camping stoves, heaters, wood stoves and campfires, generators, or even if you're in your shop with an engine running, in your vehicle trying to stay warm with the engine running, there's unintentional carbon monoxide that can enter those spaces and quickly poison you and, in the worst case, kill you. ITEHIL has created a new portable carbon monoxide detector, which is fantastic if you like van life and camping and cabin life, outdoor activities, ice fishing, working in a shop, anywhere that you might be where there's a source of heat or a source of combustion. And the best part about it is it's a 3-in-1 detector. It not only monitors carbon monoxide every 2 seconds, but it also has temperature and humidity built in. And as it starts to detect carbon monoxide levels rising, it will actually sound an audible alarm to alert you that there is dangerous carbon monoxide starting to build up in whatever space you're in. The best part is it has a 140-hour standby battery, so you could turn this on, run it all weekend or all week long, and when it's time to recharge the included battery, you literally plug it into a USB port and it is good to go again. If you love the outdoors, don't cut it short. This is a really inexpensive insurance policy to make sure that you and your loved ones wake up in the morning, don't get sick, don't end up in the emergency room from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning. I'll go ahead and put more information in the description of this video. And if you would like to pick one of these up in consideration for carbon monoxide awareness, ITEHIL has provided a 20% discount code just for being a viewer of the channel. And you can get that in the description as well too.